How to fix DTLS connecting error on Discord. So if you want to fix the DTLS connecting error on Discord, then what you need to do is first, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you will face a lot of problems while connecting. So first check your internet connection, and then you can open up your Play Store or your App Store and go with the search. And here you need to search for Discord. Once you've searched here, you may have an update option. So if you have any updates, then simply tap on update and update your application. Once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. But even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go and search for Discord and press and hold on to that Discord and go with app info. Tap on storage and cache and go with clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now your problem may be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back and you need to uninstall the application. So tap on uninstall and uninstall the application, and again install it from your Play Store or your App Store and try logging into your account, and your problem will be fixed. Once you've done all of these, now you need to simply restart your device. Press and hold on to your power button and you will get the restart option. Simply restart, and once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your DTL not connecting error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.